on an aggravated battery.
How you doing, and thanks for watching. Do you own a new Super Duty with a higher trim line that has the LED fog lights like here in the picture? Would you like them to wig-wag and flash like this? You need the new Wicked Warnings Auto Flasher. We are running the Auto Flasher right now on the fog lights of this Super Duty. It's the only kit in production right now that will alternate your OEM fog lights. This is a wire-in kit. You do need to cut 2 wires on your vehicle to install this kit, and you only are cutting the wire in the fog light harness, not the main vehicle harness. So if you ever did decide that you wanted to undo everything, you would simply need to replace a very small harness that goes fog light to fog light, very inexpensive part of the wiring. The other benefit to this kit is it has our flood override. So if you want a secondary switch for steady on, you may have that. As you can see, the headlights are not on, so you can run the flood switch on anything other than warning. When you go back to warning, you'll have all of these patterns. So if you've got a 2017 and newer Ford Super Duty with a front end that looks like this, and your fog lights are not doing this, you need to give Wicked Warnings a call, or go right to our website, follow the description below. Your #1 source for truck strobe lights and construction safety and strobe equipment. There'll be links in the description for the Auto Flasher module kit with the wiring and the behind-the-scenes installation video you receive after purchase. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. This is George with the Auto Flasher module on the LED fog lights of the new Super Duty.